Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Tubi TV account. First of all, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video. So the first thing you want to do is to open your browser on your device or wherever you are at. Once you open your browser, you want to go ahead and head over to tubi.com. Once you go to tubi.com, you can see that this is how our website's interface looks like. And on the top right hand side, you will see two options such as register and sign in. So what we want to do is simply log into our account which we are trying to recover. So on the top right hand side, select sign in. So if you are trying to recover your account after deletion, then simply enter your login details. Go ahead and click on sign in, and it will ask you whether you want to reactivate your account or not. Then simply click on yes to all the confirmation and your account will be successfully reactivated. So another way to recover account is if maybe that you have forgotten your password and you don't remember your password, then what you want to do is at the bottom you want to go ahead and click on the option called forgot password. Once you click on forgot password, it will ask you to enter your email address. So simply enter your email address of the account you are trying to recover. Once you do that, go ahead and click on submit at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on submit, it will send you a link or a password reset link or an OTP code to your inbox. You want to go to your inbox right as I do now. If you have a mail from Tubi for password reset, then simply click on the link and it will take you to a new page where it will ask you to set a new password. And you can send a reset link and confirm the changes, and your account will be successfully recovered and you can log in using a new password. So in this way you can really easily recover your account after deletion, or recover your account if you have forgotten your password. We hope that this video was really helpful to you. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in our next video.